Okay. The Dom RS Sirius, which is the newer version of the RS Sigma, from what I can tell. It's the basically the RS Sigma, but with a trap pin. And something interesting I figured out is that the Sirius and Takeo share the same housing. Because when I picked the Takeo, I was wondering what the extra grooves on the bottom were for. And the Sirius has them as well, but in the case of the Sirius, it's actually for the lock itself, and in the Takeo, well, they're useless, but I'll show you that this one has the same grooves cut, which is interesting. And also has the hole in the Bible for the interactive pin in the Takeo. Something that is weird to me is that they didn't bother plugging that hole. It is just left exposed here. A hole straight through your lock. Yeah. Here, this one and that one. These two are for the Sirius, and these two are for the Takeo, and you can see the hole for the Takeo that is all the way through. And if we grab a Takeo here, you can see it has that same hole. I can't really show you the side grooves because I'll have to gut it, but they're there. And after I've gutted this and reassembled it, I've gotta go clean my hands because Dom really overloops these locks for some reason. Key control. Alright, this side is all key control. And then this side is key control and the trap pin. Yeah, just wider base. Wider, yeah, it's just wider. There's the keyway. Yeah, that's it.